Buy the dip. Do not succumb to this price manipulation. I'm gonna show you what is happening with Binance absolutely manipulating Ethereum, selling $400 million of Ethereum to shake out the weak hands and of course liquidate the whales. What's going on, everybody? Happy Friday. Vitaly Dubin is here. Welcome to the Today's in Crypto show. And today the topic is buy the dip, because the markets give you these opportunities. We are in a bull market right now and we are seeing some amazing opportunity. I'm going to prove it to you and show to you why right now is being manipulated the market as the stocks at all-time high, and yet we're seeing Bitcoin and Ethereum dumping. What the heck is going on? And Solana is showing relatively strength for Bitcoin and Ethereum. We have a lot to discuss. Let's dive right into it. We are seeing Ethereum trading at $4,300 right now, going down by 5% on the day and actually going lower than this 25 of August, retesting the base over here of $4,260 at the moment. And the reason why we're seeing such a big dump in Ethereum today is because of Binance. Binance is dumping Ethereum for millions. They actually, in the last 4 hours, sold over $400 million in Ethereum through their market maker Wintermute, which is total market manipulation. So do not let this shake you, because we're seeing basically what's happening here. A whale opened $400 million in long in Ethereum yesterday with an entry of $4,608. That is absolutely insane, with a liquidation price of $4,343. So he basically, this is on a 15x. How much is the loss for that? 400 divided by 15. It's about $26.5 million in a loss on this trade right now, because this wallet got liquidated. So Binance was trying to liquidate and they succeeded. A $400 million position, grabbing in $22 million. That's an easy grab. That's exactly what they're doing. It's manipulation, because Ethereum is about to go parabolic. We've been through accumulation phase in 2023, reaccumulation phase in 2024, and now we are about to enter into the parabolic phase. As you know, we are trading above 2024 levels. If you look at the bigger picture on a monthly scale, we are trading monthly above all the previous months, right? If you take in 2024, we are trading above all of these months, and we are about to go and trade higher and create, well, right now, 2 days before the month's end. I wish it was close the months on the $4,800 node to have the highest closing months ever, but it doesn't seem like it's happening, although everything can happen in crypto. We are in a macro bullish stance. You just zoom out and see what's going on. If you look at the weekly, well, it is 2 days before the week ends, but after 3 bullish weeks, we're seeing a bearish engulfing candle, possibly taking a short term, revisiting the support. Anything above $4,000 basically is revisiting support. So if you're gonna go to $4,000 level, it is okay, it is fine. We're still in a higher lows, right? We're still in the higher lows. If we're gonna close below $3,500, we are going to be in lower lows. But we are in a bullish trend. So bullish trend until the end, and this buy the dip opportunities is what is on the table right now. Okay. So stock market is hitting new all-time high. If you look at the S&P 500, we are actually at pretty much all-time highs for the stock market. Okay, if you look at the last 1 hour, okay, it was a fall here. the last 1 hour. But overall, that was not the reason why crypto was dumping. This pure market manipulation by the big cartels and exchanges to liquidate all the high and low leverage longs before the massive pump in Q4. And why the massive pump is to Q4? 2 to 3 rate cuts is coming. The lower the interest rate, the more liquidity is going to flow into the markets, and it's going to pump everyone's back. Okay. So they want to install fear, just like they did when Ethereum crashed to 1385, making everyone believe it's dead, and then it pumped to new all-time high. So don't get shaken out. Don't get shaken out. There is Ethereum whale just bought $80 million on the buy the dip opportunity. That's what the smart money is doing. And because Solana is outperforming Ethereum right now, it might be an early sign that the money is slowly rotating to the large caps. Because if you look at the dominance, it's looking great. It's actually breaking all of the trend line, and it's showing clearly a sign of altcoin season that is coming. And if you look at Sol to Ethereum, after many weeks of Ethereum outperforming Solana, Solana's taking the revenge now. And you can see over here the last week, this was a sign. This was a sign that the reversal is coming, and you should rotate your Ethereum into Solana. Solana is outperforming right now both Ethereum and Bitcoin for a good reason, as treasury companies on Solana are going to start coming into the markets. So again, the odds of September rate cuts is now at 87.2%, and they're coming. September is right around the corner. Okay, BlackRock Ethereum ETF already pulled $968 million in this week. Institutional demand is here for Ethereum. We're seeing A-list Hollywood actors are Pete Davidson and Casey Affleck to star a new Bitcoin movie, Killing Satoshi. It's going mainstream. We're seeing Gucci now accepts payments in Ethereum. Yes, you can go to Gucci and pay with Dogecoin and with Ethereum at select US stores. So that's good. We see Eric Trump going in the Bitcoin Asia, just saying the wealthiest families in Hong Kong are looking to buy Bitcoin and looking to buy crypto. And the founder of Binance says Bitcoin is going to be the next world reserve currency. It's coming. It's on the way. This is multi-billionaires. This is some of the smartest people in the crypto space. That's what they're saying. Altcoin season signal just fired. Bitcoin dominance cracked below support. History is crystal clear. Bitcoin steps back, alts go vertical. So this is like the trend line that Bitcoin dominance broke. Okay, and basically head into the altcoin season. That's it. Even the JPMorgan, which once was skeptical of Bitcoin, saying it's a $4 trillion world's largest bank, just said Bitcoin should be at $126,000 right now, indicating that Bitcoin is undervalued. Currently, Bitcoin trading at $108,500, and it is revisiting those previous monthly close, weekly close support level. So if you look on a daily, yes, we are creating lower lows over here. So the trend is down at the moment, but yeah, it's something that on the macro level, if you look at the 2 months, actually, if you look at the 2 months, currently the picture is not so good because it's printing this pin bar, and that's not what we want to see. That's not what we want to see for Bitcoin, as it may be a sign of reversal of this parabolic move to the upside. But yet, how we can top up? Well, not a single indicator show that we are topped up at 125. That's not how we blow off top. Blow off top is much more aggressive than this has been. So maybe the cycle is a little bit prolonged, but over the next 3 months, we still have 3 months to go and Bitcoin hit the target of $150,000. That's what I believe. And Ethereum to go into new highs. It has to. Why? because billions are being bought for Ethereum. Billions. It has to go into new highs, new all-time highs, and reach $10 or maybe $15,000 in this cycle. Okay, so that's what I have for you today. I hope you have fantastic Friday. Enjoy your weekend. Buy the dip, and I'll see you in the next episodes.